Hello folks. Well, we're making the rounds to different boating access areas today. Actually, that wasn't the purpose, but I got distracted, and this is the Bridgeton access area, and it has a little sign up there. I'm not sure if you can read it. It says, "Attention anglers, striped bass season is closed." Now, I don't know how long it's been there, so I don't know how accurate it is, but for all the details on fishing regulations and that, visit NC Wildlife Resources Commission. They've got a Facebook page and they're online. Anyway, this is it. And what we're looking at is the mighty Neuse. Beautiful Neuse River. Let's see, where are we at? Well, across the way, oh, here we go. We got some landmarks. There's there, whoa, okay, this is a floating bridge. You might get a little seasick here. Okay, I'm trying to get my footing. All right, there's the railroad bridge. And there's downtown New Bern. Let's see. And pretty sure I live right about there, off of NC 43. Anyway, this is just gorgeous. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful day. It's not too hot, not too cold, just right. Yeah, so, all right. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.